Constellation Brands reported third quarter fiscal 2025 that fell short of estimates, and as you can see from the daily chart, the price gap lower and it ended the day on the lows. This is considered a gap and go. Now the news came as the beer business achieved its 59th consecutive quarter of depletion volume growth. Subdued consumer spending and value-seeking behavior did persist. Now the company also lowered its 2025 full-year guidance to $13.40 to $13.80, which is aligned with the consensus estimates, but it did raise its operating and free cash flow targets. One thing to note, they did announce a $1.01 per share quarterly dividend. However, investors weren't having it. They sold off the stock. And what's important about this particular sell-off is that it did, and it will close below long-term support. You have to go back to 2020. So that's very bad news for the bag holders of Constellation Brands. Question is, how low can price go? Well, I do want to bring to your attention a couple of levels of interest. You have one at $160, and then you have another one at $150. That should serve as support, and then you have support again. These down here, well, this was the pandemic lows. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart. And I want to go look at price and go left. We have this gap fill. Here was that level we saw on the monthly chart. And I like this even more, these two levels, because this was the monthly pivot, but you do have some little guys. Lows again at 150 in that March-May time frame. All right, we're going to go down one more time frame. I do like this drop, this basin candle, and then a rally higher. So that becomes weekly buyers. If price was to breach these two levels here. So let's mark it in. Weekly buyers at $110. All right, let's go down to the daily chart. Again, I want to look at current price, go down and to the left. Even better. You have this drop in price, two basin candles, and then the gap higher. So for me, the chart suggests and price suggests price can trickle down. I mean, you do have this little level here. But I wouldn't put much emphasis on it. Maybe price pauses, reacts a little bit. But you have to ask yourself, where did price stop going lower and started going higher? And that was down here. So look for price to continue to move lower. Price is at 180. Price can go lower. However, the chart is suggesting price is going to reverse down near this 150, 160 region. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.